boys and girls, welcome to our mark making session. Now Mrs Wilton's going to show you how to make the letter sound vulture. Woo! And to write the sound we are going to start at the top and we're going to go down a wing, up a wing. Ready? Let's go. Let's get my finger. And I'm going to start at the top and I'm going to go down a wing, up a wing, vulture. See if you can have a go. Send us your pictures.